Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna share with you how to paint flowers that I'm using only 3 of primary colors. I have done drawing for composition. Here are the materials: yellow, red, blue, only 3 of primary colors. Brushes, Escoda, Davinci, and big wash brush. I'm mixing yellow and red. I got orange secondary colors. Primary color is yellow, red, blue. So yellow mixing blue now, we can get green secondary colors. First, I'm gonna start these main flowers using wet on dry techniques with Escoda Versatile 16 brushes. Take a little bit light orange, put on the flowers, leave a little white circle in the middle of the flowers. I'm adding dark red between petals and around the center of the flowers. Switch the small brush. I'm putting around the center and on the petal lines. Put line on the petal. And next, move to second flower. This flower is on the back, so I'm gonna make it blurry. So mixing a lot of water and orange. I got some darker red color and put some center of the flowers, around the center of the flowers. I'm mixing yellow and blue. Take a little bit yellowish green. So I put on the center of the flowers. Next step, wash the paper with big washi brush. And I'm adding blue on the wet paper, wet on wet style. I'm still using big washi brush. Take a blue color, put on the background under the flowers. I put some little more dark color. Still paper very much wet, so I'm adding little bit dark colors. Also, I'm putting yellow on the top of the left side. There is no clear view, but there may be yellow flowers. So I want to make the harmony colors. Splash with orange colors. I'm going to use a splatters mark, may later be painted as flowers. I'm mixing yellow and blue paint on the stem. This is leaf and stem. I got some bluishy green. Switch the very small brush on the paint on the stem. This paper is still wet, so you need to move brush strokes, move very quickly. Paper is all dried, so paint flowers with light orange. These flowers are in the distance, so I'm going to make the very blurry colors. Around the center, just a little bit darker color put on the around the center of the flowers. These splatter markers will change it to flowers in the distance. It's not main flowers, so I'll make blurry on these flowers. This painting almost done. This is the final touch-up. Putting some darker color and some part take out the colors. Okay, I finished this painting. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and for all your support. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I hope I will see you next time. Bye.